Ms. Priscilla here again today. Today we're going to be making some baked goodies for Easter. I have my little sister here today. She's going to be helping me.
Hi, I'm Mariela. I miss my tutoring kids. Shout out to them. I hope you guys are all doing good and you guys are safe.
Yes, hopefully you guys like these treats and hopefully you take pictures and send it to us. These are all the items you will be needing. We're going to start off by making a cake, so follow all the things that you need from the cake box: dipping chocolate, strawberries, sprinkles, and all the other items. Please start off by step 1, washing your hands. It's very important to not have any germs in the kitchen, especially with all this going on. Remember to keep your hands nice and clean in the kitchen. Okay, now that your cake is ready, you're going to let it sit for a little bit, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, so it is not too hot. After that, you're going to put it in a bowl and you're going to start smashing it up with a tool. You can use your hands if you'd like, but I'm using a tool for this. Then you're going to add a little bit of frosting. You don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be too moist. You want to use just a little bit on that. Once you are done doing that and you mix it all up, you're going to start forming your little balls. And just putting them to the side, make sure that they're the size of a ping pong ball, not too heavy because we don't want them to fall off the stick. After you're done doing this, I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate them for a little bit just so they can harden. Meanwhile, I'm going to start working on the strawberries. So I'm right here. I am already melting the chocolate. I have this tool especially for that, but you can always use a regular bowl and use a microwave to warm up your chocolate. Right here, I'm already dipping my strawberry. I'm getting my husband's help. As you can see, those are not my hands, but he's the best chocolate dipper in the house. He does a really good job, so I had him help me with this. After that, I'm already adding some sprinkles to it and making it all Easter-like to be pretty, but you can use whatever theme you like. I found these at Walmart a couple of weeks ago before all this mess started. They probably still have more, but you can use anything that you have at home. These are some chocolates I put in the microwave for a minute to melt, just so I can do some cool designs. Put in there in 1 minute increments. Then you want to snip off the little tip off the Ziploc bag on both of them. So I decided to use 2 different colors, as you could tell, and test it out to see how it's going to work on wax paper and just start zigzagging them. And that's how they look so far for the strawberries. And make sure you're always just testing out your chocolate so it doesn't mess up your decor. After that, I brought out the cake pops again, and you want to dip them, the little sticks, and put them in the bottom just so it can help you when you are starting to dip them. Let them rest for a little bit and then start dipping. And that's it.